good morning, whatever time you're at. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to point out a new product I just noticed the other day. I haven't gotten around to a video. HART has finally come out with a stackable mobile storage system, probably made by Keither, who makes the mobile boxes for DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Rigid. And it's $79. And let's take a look at the boxes options. It's stackable, 3 boxes. It's got a storage organizer for your parts at the top, wheels, a handle. As you can see, it looks vaguely familiar in the front. Looks like the Rigid a little way in some ways, except for blue and green and orange. It's blue. It also looks like the Milwaukee as well, a pack out. And you can store your cell phone, look, iPhone. Plastic latches, but that's okay. You can lock it. I would put metal reinforced tubing inside there if it was possible to find a way. And use an adhesive to keep it in place. And that should keep the lock from breaking. This is a pretty good deal. The model on this is 249074, and I'll leave the link in the description for this. It's not bad. Free 2-day shipping. See what else they got in these pictures before I go and get out of here. Nice wheels. There's the storage organizer. Looks familiar, doesn't it? I wonder if they're going to come out with more stackable boxes. But I doubt it, that this is the way it's going to come. Which is okay in my book. I didn't think HART was going to come out with one. So just to see this alone is a plus. Alright. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side next video. Alright. Have a good one. Peace.